looking at managing your qualifications and corporate branding. So you can see I'm currently on my dashboard. So from here, you want to go to the admin on the left, the admin module on the left. Now from the admin, you can see we on the top of the screen, we have qualifications and corporate branding. Now this is where you manage your qualifications and then your corporate branding as well. So once you click qualifications, you see it shows a drop down where you have skills, education, licenses, languages, and memberships. So you can manage any of these right from here. So for instance, I want to manage the skills section. Here you can add a skill from the top of the screen right here, or you can also see the list of the skills you have available here. So let's go ahead and try and add a skill. So right here you can see you have a form where you can add the name of the skill and the description of the skill. So if I want to add, let's say, project management, as a skill, I can add a description as this is a 101 skill, or anything you're going to add. Let's go ahead and save this, and then we can see that we have that letter, the skill has been added, and it shows right here. So like we have across the application, you can edit from here. You can change the name of the skill. If I want to make this software engineering, for instance, and I save this out, it's updated, and then my skill is updated. So to add a skill, you can just add a name and description like I've showed you, and then from here you can also delete the skill if you want to, and then that's all. So it's the same implementation for all the other sections. For education, you can also add that as well. It's the same thing. Education, you can add a level. So if you want to add a level, you add a level and save it out. And then for licenses as well, you have the add button here. You clicked it, it brings you here. You can add a license, the name of the license, you save this out. You can have languages as well. You can add it right from here. You can add a name and save. And then you have memberships. You can also add the name of the membership and also save that out right here. So the last thing we want to look at is the corporate branding. So the corporate branding section here, you can change the colors of your brand to from what the default colors here on TaxFlow HR to match your brand identity. If you want to, you can change this to any color. So to any color you want to. If I want to make this red, you can change this. If there's a gradient you want to, you can make this. Let me also make this green, for instance. Let's make it a brighter shade of green. And then you want secondary color if you want. Let's make this, and then we make this yellow. I don't know, maybe blue or something. Okay. If you want to add a logo, you can add that here, a banner, a login banner, and you want to enable social media images, you can do that. So let's preview this. So you see that once I click preview, you can have a look at what this looks like if it matches your brand identity. So you can see the primary color changes. Most of the colors you see as I hover, it's now red across the application. Everywhere else you have your primary color. So you can publish this if you want to, or I can also set it back to the default, which I want to do. So that is how you can manage your corporate identity and qualifications in TaxFlow HR. Just to close this off, one last thing I want us to look at is the nationalities. You can also manage the nationalities right from here. You can see a list of nationalities, countries here. You can delete or add as you wish. These are added by default in TaxFlow HR, so you can add and delete as you wish. Thank you very much.